Hey, I've been actually ducked off. I ain't been posting as much, but y'all peep this shit, bro. I'm actually watching my own shit. Watching my own fucking YouTube video, bro. I'm still out here, bro. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep on driving. Be out here, legs in the cat. Y'all see this piece right here? This is where I'm crunching all the YouTube money I make, type shit. You know what I'm saying? Back at it. Back at it, bro. You know, I got all my little gadgets. I'm ready to drop some more. I gotta put that shit in. Got my little 360 camera and shit. But y'all keep tapping in, bro. I'm about to get back active. What's it called? New videos, new pictures, new skits, new everything. Bill about to get released. So, you know what I'm saying? We about to pop back out harder than ever, boy. On some new daily shit, boy. What's good, everybody? We back at it with another one. Back in the cat. I'll be on my way to go pick up some what's it called? I don't know if y'all remember when I used to use this right here. I kept telling y'all I wasn't. Oh shit! Use it again. Haven't used it. I'm gonna start using it again, bro. I literally had it right there laying in my fucking yeah, my just laying around type shit. Y'all see what I got on today, bro. I know y'all peeped that new piece right here. I think this one's harder than this one. Oh, it's literally choking my wrist. This one's so tight. God damn. Ugh. My wrist hurt. I think I'm gonna break my wrist. I know what rappers be talking about. I'm gonna whip the pot till I break my wrist. I'm gonna break my wrist trying to goddamn do too many movements. It's God damn. God damn. That shit is stupid uncomfortable. I don't know how people be wearing too much on their goddamn wrist. That should be looking clean, but god damn. This is worth it though, especially to have this piece on. Right here. It's my middle school I went to growing up. No keys at. Fuck, where do I gotta go? Should I go all the way straight? Loki should have went straight, but fuck it, oh well. Damn. I fucked up with my last video. I can't record like this. I gotta go like this, bruh. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking. But, bruh. Ushka. Bling blow. Hear that. But yeah, bruh. Fucking. Just another day in the hood, bruh. I slept the whole day yesterday, but I could lucky record it. Today's Friday though. Ain't gonna play with y'all today. I'll try to get some in. Even though I kind of fucked up half the day. Sun's still high up. I'm gonna go pick that shit up while this shit charging. And then I'm gonna meet up with one of my homeboys. And we gonna see what the fuck we do. Get in the way? Nah. He literally followed us all the way over here. God, thank God we're down the street from my cousin's house. He busted a U-turn, and then he came back right after. We parked here. The camera in there. Let's see my camera, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. God damn. God damn. But I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna have a little picnic. He's not even home, bro. He just left. Just gonna have a little picnic right here and just chill for a little while until he's gone. Couple hours later, bro. I'm in the low key now, cause God damn, cuz I got followed by more cops leaving out that place. So literally, as soon as we pulled up on this car, the cop literally had busted another U-turn. Another cop and followed us there. Don't mind the dirty car. But nah, for real though, I'll catch you on the next one. Bro, I got a lot of crazy content for y'all, bro. I need y'all to keep tapping in and looking at all my old videos and turn me up. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh. I'll catch you on the next one.